that you've examined comparatives and superlatives in German, ones that are regular, following a pattern, and ones that are irregular, completely destroying that pattern and the exceptions to the rule, let's take a look at how we can use comparatives and superlatives in simple German sentences. So wie. So wie is one of my favorite uses of wie, besides it being used as a question word. How? It basically means as blank as. So it's when we're talking about two things that are equal, right? So my example here is, Das Haus ist so groß wie ein Hotel. The house is as big as a hotel. So as blank as, whatever adjective or adverb, like adjective, sorry, you put in that blank. It's kind of just like a plug and chug formula as if it were algebra. So, and then the adjective wie will give us a sentence. Das Haus ist so groß wie ein Hotel. Yeah? The other one that's kind of cool is when you're comparing two unequal things, you can have the comparative form. So the comparative, that's why I did the ER form of something, and then als, and then whatever you're comparing it to. So it's like blank, then blank. I know it sounds weird. So looking at it in the context of a sample, I think will help shed some light on all of this. So now I could say, Das Haus ist größer als ein Hotel. The house is bigger than a hotel. So once again, this ER I put up there, that basically just means it has to be a comparison form of that verb. So so wie and als are going to be your keyword terms when forming sentences in German with comparisons to kind of just spice up your sentence and to now compare things. Zum Beispiel. In this one I used a negation. In fact, go ahead and underline that negation in your notes. Mein Bruder ist nicht so intelligent wie ich. Actually, my brother is. So that's not a true statement, but it's grammatically correct. So my brother is not as intelligent as I. So you can also throw in a negation. Notice the placement of the negation. That's why I want you to go ahead and underline nicht. The placement goes before that so wie construction. In this example, sein Auto ist schneller als mein Auto. His car is faster than my car. Once again, have a comparison adjective here, and then als, and then whatever you're comparing. So it could be apples to oranges. In this case, it's Auto to Auto. So, Übung macht den Meister. Pause this video, try your hand at these three sentences. When you're ready to check, go ahead and resume this video and to check your answers, making sure you make corrections as you go. Okay, viel Glück, viel Spaß. Das Fenster ist nicht wie groß wie die Tür. Notice on this one I used a negation. Okay, so go ahead and underline that nicht again. I just want you to make sure you know when, not when, but where the placement of nicht goes. Where's the negation? My purse is older than your suitcase. Meine Handtasche ist älter als deinen Koffer. Notice, alt, I clapped right there, is a one-syllable adjective. Therefore, it follows that irregular rule, and you have to put an umlaut on it. Silly, silly. And the book is better than the movie. Das Buch ist besser als den Film. So besser is also an irregular one. Gut, besser, am besten.